some bookends here that we're going to be sanding and that. These are a lot more difficult than the lamps are. If you want a manicure, come on over. I'll be happy to let you go ahead and do your own bookends here and see. Really keep your fingers away from that diamond sandpaper. Alright, first thing I do is I'm going to take it and run the edges on it. That gives me an idea of how far I have to go in. And then I'll start sanding on the sides. Again, you have a lubricant of the water, and that's also to clean off the disc. You gotta apply pressure to get it sanded down because it's pretty rough. You gotta watch your fingers and make sure it doesn't cut. We need to also again turn it because the forward part of the sanding as it's coming in will sand more than the back side, so that's why we go ahead and turn that over now. Trying to keep the form of the rock uniform. Always trying to turn it. You don't want to leave it in one spot on the rounded side, or otherwise you get a flat spot on it. First began on sanding the rock, we really couldn't tell too much about the rock itself. That it was kind of really rough and kind of a whitey, powdery looking on the outside. But as we get it wet and sand all that roughness off of there, we really start to see the layering and the design, the different types of rock within this sample, ore sample. Now we're sanding that face, that flat face. If you can get a close-up of that, kind of shows you some of the layering, the blue anhydrite in the rock. Like I said, we'll continue this until we get it sanded down, get all the rough spots out, and then we'll go ahead and change out sandpaper. This is a 70 grit. We'll go to a 120, 220, 400. And then we'll do our final polishing with the tin oxide. Alright, see you a little bit later.